Hello, today I'm showcasing another Quarry design. This one is a lot simpler than the one I did in my previous video, and it has a collection system, which I kind of realized after the fact that every quarry pretty much needs a collection system. So now this one supports a collection system. I also apologize for my mic quality being slightly worse. I'm on a different headset, so you're just gonna have to bear with it. So yeah, this is the entire core design. It's actually a lot simpler than the one before. Um, so I guess we should just turn it on. There you go. It's doing all the stuff. Pretty nice. Yeah, don't mind stuff. And then it'll come back and it'll dispense all the items. It doesn't look like it here, but I promise you it is. Give it a second. There you go. Fills up with items. And then you can do whatever with the however this works. I honestly don't know how this works very well. I just thought a hopper minecart would be the quickest way to do it. Um, but yeah, this is the core design. Very simple. Builds itself out, does get to bedrock. Uh, the last video, a couple of people mentioned that the quarry would or could like get stuck in certain points. So I'm gonna like emulate that, and it'll kind of go back and forth in a way uh, if it gets stuck, which is kind of annoying. But the last quarry would have like self-destructed, so this one doesn't get stuck quite as like, easily. All you have to do is just get rid of the top obsidian there, and it'll figure out how to fix itself eventually. There you go. And then I don't know why these are disappeared, but I promise you they're there, and it'll keep mining and doing all its stuff and whatnot. So yeah, very simple core design. Less materials than before. This is pretty much it. So yeah, if you want to stop it, you just have to make sure that this dust is lit and this one is not lit. And then you can hit this lever and there we go. And now the quarry can stop and you can do maintenance on it, I guess. Um, it does depend. So another thing is it does depend on like the direction. So this quarry is facing west, but if it were facing east, this here I think would need to be it would need to be a gearbox, I think. Yeah, gearbox to invert the um, the the chassis rotation. I don't know why. I think it's a create thing, but you know, it's pretty much all you got to do. So yeah, there's the core design. Thank you for watching.